Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl, Dr. Samara, and I am back with another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, and let's get into this video.
He want the scoop, she want the tea, she want the tea. I cannot speak, we keeping it street, we keeping it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat, you still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap, it never been cheap.
All right, guys, so your girl was finally able to withdraw $10,000 from Hola Prime. All right, guys, so I also wanted to let you guys know how fast it was for me to receive my money. Just for transparency purposes, I do want to let you guys know that I did go ahead and withdraw this amount back on the 9th of this month. So it was back on Monday of this week that I was able to process or get the amount that I wanted to request for withdrawal processed. Literally, guys, as soon as I was able to submit the withdrawal, they let me know via email, like, hey, we see that you had placed this withdrawal. It's about to get processed shortly. And I mean, under 15 minutes, literally, guys, it was processed and it was sent to my Bitcoin account. Very smooth, very easy, and just guaranteed altogether. So as I wanted to show you guys here, they are one of the only prop firms at this time, guys, that is providing a 1 hour payout. Do you guys know how, like, just how convenient that is? You know, guys, some brokers, they do take about 2 to 4 business days or even 7 business days in order for you to receive your funds. But with Hola Prime, guys, you literally can get it in less than an hour, maybe up to an hour, but I'm saying less than an hour because I received it less than an hour. So this is my account, guys. This is how your account dashboard will look like. Very, very similar, right? Here we're going to go ahead to pay out. I do want to let you guys know that in order to get your withdrawal process, it's very important that you do get your KYC verified. This is important so that they know that who you are is what you say you are. Yeah. So just for safety purposes, I do want to emphasize that make sure you have that KYC. As you guys can see, there's no more funds in my account. So it would let you know how much profit you are able to take out, and like the profit share percentage that what you keep, and then as well as what Hola Prime keeps. The account that I did choose, it does go where Hola Prime is going to only receive 10%, whereas I receive the maximum of 90%. We're going to scroll down here, guys. As you guys can see here on the 9th, as I mentioned before, I was able to withdraw $11,624. As I mentioned, Hola Prime is going to take 10%. So that is why my client payout is about $10,400, right? As I mentioned, I did get it via Bitcoin. I just rather would like all of my transactions via Bitcoin. It's just a little bit easier for me. They do have other options or payment methods where you can get it as a bank wire. You can do PayPal, or you can go ahead and do Rise. So whichever payment method is more suitable or comfortable for you, you can go that route. But I wanted to show you guys and emphasize that you are able to receive real money and real transactions from Hola Prime. Also, let's go ahead and go into my email. So here, guys, this is my email, and this is the notification that I received as soon as I placed my withdrawal. Hola Prime said, hey, dear Samara, your payout has been successfully submitted and received. Your payout will be processed within 1 business hour. Like, come on, guys. Who do you know is processing within 1 business hour? It's not too many. Like, it just excites me that I can get my money ASAP. Like, that's crazy. And so this is the email that they sent to me for my submission. And then we're going to go back. All right, guys. So as you guys can see here, it does say that my payout request has been approved for my account and that the payout will be processed within 1 business hour. And I just want to let you guys know I received my money in less than 15 minutes after I received this email message. I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know that you can definitely do the same. And if you are a beginner trader and you're looking to pass the challenge with Hola Prime or needing assistance on how to get those take profits within your trading strategy, watch all of my videos here on YouTube, or you can join my trading group where I send out trading ideas each and every day from Monday through Thursday. But other than that, guys, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it's what? It is free. Bye.